Hey, my name is Kelly Hernandez. Welcome to Step 6 and 7, where we'll be discussing the editing software I use, which is FILMORA. We will talk about the free plan and also the plan that you can set up. There's different plans. I won't go too much in depth in that in the pricing of the plans, but you can still have access to a lot of the editing software in the free plan. I decided also to download the plan. I believe it's the 1 month plan or the 3 month plan. I see how well my videos are doing, so I wanted to have more access to the different edits I could do towards my video. I'm also going to keep this video very brief because I don't really want to overwhelm you. This editing software step can be very overwhelming, so I'm going to do it in steps. So let's begin. I'm on Google. I'm going to type here, download FILMORA 9. So here you're going to see download FILMORA 9. I'm going to click here, official download of FILMORA. Here's the website. Also, when I upload this website to my YouTube channel, I'm going to put that in the description link of the video. And also I'll be posting it on my Facebook post. So here you can see it says try it for free. You will still have access to a lot of the editing software if you were to decide to go with the paid plan. So here you have it. Everything here says if you want to try it for free for the Windows 7 or later, or for the Mac OS 10.11 or later. So you can either download it for a Windows computer or for a Mac computer. Okay, so then we click on that. Since I already have it downloaded on my computer, I'm just going to show you what it looks like. So here you can see that I already decided to go with my training video. I already put the introduction, I edited the text in there. I'm not going to go into the music because I want to keep that for step 7 because I feel like I can talk more about that in another video. Like I said, I like to keep my videos very brief so everyone can understand it and refer back to it at their own leisure. So here I'm going to show you how you create this. And again, I don't want to overwhelm you. So what I do here to create that Hernandez video introduction, you're going to go to titles, and here you see custom openers, titles, lower thirds. What does that mean? Lower thirds, if you want your title to enter down here, they have different graphics, how you want that to look. Also, they offer subtitles, which this is very, very interesting. Let's say you have an audience that speaks a different language and you have that one viewer that's like, I would really like if you would translate this into this language. This is a really good option for that. End credits, you also have this option depending how you want to upload that video. If you would want this option, you can also do that. And this is just the new content that FILMORA uploads. Okay, so I go to openers and I decided to choose just a random one, so I clicked here. Okay, so when you click there, it's going to bring, also there's different brackets here. This bracket is for video. You see the little film icon here. This is for music, but that will be in step 7. So I click here. I'm going to double click here since I already inserted this video into here. Okay, so I'm going to click here. You see how it's already there. So you go over to this side. I'm going to show you. And usually it has what it was already filtered there as. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to put, like just how you saw, successful. I'm going to put this in capital letters. Successful how to Then you can go in these other ones and you're just going to type it training with, and then I put Hernandez. Okay, and also you have the different ways to do this. They offer different word arts right here, as you can see. You can see they offer also different fonts and the font size, if you want it to be bold, if you want this option, how you want it centered, and all of that. Again, we're going to keep it very brief so it's easy to understand. You press OK, and there you have it. You have added in your intro graphic. Okay, so this is the end of step 6, downloading that editing software, FILMORA. It's also free, and you still have access with the free plan with that software. So thank you for watching step 6, how we went onto Google. We typed in download FILMORA. If you have any questions, just let me know. And I'm so happy I made this video, and let's go on to step 7, adding that music, making it all pretty, and having that nice video ready to upload to your YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. This is Kelly Hernandez, and I will be uploading step 7.